Hello, this is another segment here of good, and today we're cooking some couscous, couscous and cheese actually. And the
Instant
couscous we'll be
couscous.
making is not Israeli couscous, but a Moroccan style
Yeah,
pasta.
it's really small and instant.
Yeah, although I do love Israeli couscous, I also love the Moroccan style. It's pretty darn good.
Yep.
Yeah, so what we're doing first of all, instead of water, of course you can do it with water if you like, but we're using chicken broth, about 2 cups worth,
And we're just gonna let
uh,
it boil.
and you let it boil for a while. For I mean,
Well, you
gonna
bring
have
it,
it on, let it reach to a boil,
bring it to a boil, and then 2 cups of couscous.
and then cook 2 cups of couscous. Okay, now do a boil. Now we're
And we are adding 2 cups of the couscous. And we stir it around.
and you wait like a couple minutes.
Turn it off for the heat, or turn the heat off. And yeah, let it sit for a few minutes. And I'm gonna get the cheese ready to melt.
Yeah, we're gonna put the cheese in the microwave to help melt it. I mean, it may be cheating, but oh well.
And we like to
It's
use
something.
Velveeta.
Yeah, we're just using Velveeta.
This
It's some cheese
Velveeta
sauce.
is queso blanco, but you can use any
Yeah,
kind.
I can never say that straight, but
I'm, I'm,
Ecuador.
I hope I'm saying it right. I don't know. That and
If I butcher that word, I'm sorry.
Tostitos liquid cheese sauce.
Uh,
A lot of people use it for dip. I like it
y'all can use any
creamy.
cheese you like. This is our preference.
And just doing it in chunks. And this makes a lot. Somebody used the whole jar of cheese.
Okay, now I'm getting blending the cheese together and we'll put it in the microwave. Just for what, like a minute
Maybe a couple minutes
or
until it's,
two.
you know,
About 2 minutes.
until it's nice and melty and yummy and blended.
All right. All right, we have the cheese melted.
Mhm. And
Now,
cheese is all nice and melted.
but now we add the cheese.
Gonna fluff up the couscous. I did a little bit of that earlier. And put all this yummy cheese on. Like I said, it makes a lot. get it all. And just give it a stir. And also like hunt some diced tomatoes in with it.
Yeah. Be sure they're drained.
Yes, yeah, drain them.
Yeah. Yeah, I mean, you use fresh and everything, but we're just doing it by canned diced tomatoes.
And that's it.
Yeah, and that's all the ingredients. You can actually add anything you want to couscous. You can do so much with it. But this is our version of couscous with cheese, cheesy couscous. Show you how that looks here. Like my motto is, you can never have enough cheese.
We love our cheese.
We love our cheese. So, and that's it. I hope y'all enjoy this, and I promise you there'll be more. Alright, so that's it, and I hope everybody has a pleasant day. Until next time.